cockatoos. There are two cockatoos.
Are there two?
Yeah, one on top of each tree.
Oh, really? There's the blackbird trying to get them away. Haha. Yes, darling. Are there lots of birds?
Slow. Oh,
Oh.
gone.
Go
When
to
you
the
see
tree.
a birdie, you have to creep on it. You have to go very slowly. And then they can't really see you because they see a lot faster. Up. You want to have a look? I think the birdie's gone, darling.
He's in the tree.
Is he in the tree?
He's in the tree. Do you want to feed him a grape?
Where's the birdie?
Oh.
Stay still. Oh, well done. You managed to press record.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,